step with no step skipped, and as you can see, it is beautiful. I took inspiration from Apple, Airbnb, and Uber. Not this crap. What is this? Let's not make a website like this. This is not what we want, and I'll tell you why. It's because it looks awful. First of all, there are so many different colors on here. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Second of all, look at this navigation. Beautiful, simple logo up here. Beautiful, simple logo up here. Beautiful, simple logo up here. Beautiful, simple logo up here, right in the navigation. This, I don't even know what this is. This makes me just like, don't ever install a theme like this. This is terrible. I want to help you make something great like this, not terrible like this. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's take a little website tour. I'm going to show you how to put in this headline, subheadline, and call to action buttons. And if it looks familiar, that's because it is. We can see where to focus and the call to action, where to focus, call to action, where to focus, and the call to action. And this, no. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how to insert full-size images. There's a reason why multi-million-dollar websites like Apple and Uber and Airbnb put in full-size images, and that's because it works. They've tested this. The next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is put in your logo and your navigation, and that's because it doesn't waste any space right here. If we're wasting a whole bunch of space, then people have to scroll down, and that's not good because you're going to lose people. People have ADD. They're just going to click off your website. So we don't want to waste a lot of space. You can see Apple wastes hardly any space. Uber doesn't waste any space. Airbnb doesn't waste any space. But this one wastes a ton of space. You don't want to pick a theme that wastes a whole bunch of space up here because people have to scroll down in order to get to your content. You don't want that. This website is gorgeous. It has subheadlines, these 3 featured boxes, all of these buttons, and you can make any type of website you want on this. I'm just going to show you how to make this specific one step by step. We're going to be putting in social media right here, and we can change any of these colors. I'm going to show you how to make this logo. Let's go to an about page, and we can see about us. That's me. And obviously you can put you in there and these 3 pictures, and I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Let's see the artwork. We click up here for it. And this just showcases your work. If you have work, you can say talk about it and put a picture, talk about it, put a picture, talk about it, and put a picture. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous website. I'm going to show you how to get all of these images for free. And we can go ahead and click on the services page. And this is where you can talk about your different services. And it looks really great. We have the call to action right here below at the bottom. And we can finally go to the contact page. This is where they can see where you are and your contact information. And you can just fill out this form. They can fill out the form and press send, and it'll send right into your email. One of the coolest things about this website is the video. We can press watch the video. It pops right up. Press play. Beautiful. This could be all about your business. A little commercial for it, which is really cool. But that's not it. This website is 100% responsive, so it works on all iPhones, tablets, PCs, Macs. It works on everything. Even if we resize it right now, we can see that it'll change to be responsive. So that's really, really awesome. So I'm going to show you how to make this website step by step with no steps skipped. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's begin. You can create your website in 4 steps. Step 1 is to get hosting. Hosting is a computer that's on 24 hours a day that hosts all of your information, like your text and images. Without hosting, if someone went to your website would come up blank. Step 2 is to get your domain name. Your domain name is the same thing as your website name. Your domain name will probably be yourbusiness.com or yourname.com. Google's domain name is google.com, and my domain name is tyler.com. In step 3, we're going to install WordPress. WordPress is a content management system, which just is a fancy way of saying it helps you manage all of your content like text and images. Instead of having to know code, All you have to do is type in your text or drag in images just like you would in Microsoft Word. WordPress is used by Fortune 500 companies and people like Jay-Z and Katy Perry. It is also used by professional web developers and is by far the most popular content management system. In step 4, we're going to have some fun and create your website.